Solution of a pair of linear equations. Some algebraic methods of solving simultaneous equations in two variables. Substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method, substitution method. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Equation 1. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Equation 2. Step 1. Let the equations be. Step 2. Choose one of the equation, say 1, express one of the variable, say y, in terms of the other variable, that is x. Step 3. Substitute the value of y obtained from step 2 in equation 2, thus getting an equation in one variable x. Step 4. Solve the equation got in step 3 and get the value of x. Step 5. Substitute the value of x obtained in step 4 in the expression for y obtained in step 2 to get value of y. Step 6. The values of x and y obtained in steps 4 and 5 respectively are the solutions of given system of equations. Example: solve the equations x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4 by the substitution method. Solution: the given system of equation is x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4. From 2 we get x is equal to 4 plus y. Equation 3. Substituting 3 in 1 we get 4 plus y is equal to 14. 4 plus 2y is equal to 14. 2y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 5. Substitute y is equal to 5 in x is equal to 4 plus y. We get x is equal to 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. X is equal to 9. Therefore, the solution is x is equal to 9, y is equal to 5. Elimination method. Step 1. In the two given equations, make the coefficients of one of the variable numerically equal. For this, multiply the equations by some suitable non-zero constants. Step 2. Add or subtract the equations so that the variable with same coefficient gets eliminated. You get an equation in one variable. Step 3. Solve the equation in one variable and find the value of the variable. Step 4. Substitute the value in any one of the given two equations and get the value of the other variable. Note: in step 2, if you do not get an equation in one variable and instead if you get 1, a true statement involving no variable, then the given pair of equations has infinitely many solutions. 2, a false statement involving no variable, then the given pair of equations has no solution. Example: solve by method of elimination the given system of equations. 2x plus y is equal to minus 4. 5x minus 3y is equal to 1. Solution: the equations are 2x plus y is equal to minus 4 and 5x minus 3y is equal to 1. Let us eliminate y from the given system equations. For this, multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 1 so that coefficients of y will be equal. 1 into 3, 6x plus 3y is equal to minus 12. 2 into 1, 5x minus 3y is equal to 1 plus 11x is equal to minus 11. X is equal to minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. We get 2 of minus 1 plus y is equal to minus 4. Y is equal to minus 4 plus 2 is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2. Hence, the solution is x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 2. Multiplication method. Step 1. Write the system of equations in the standard form. Step 2. Write the coefficients of x, y and the constant in the following form. Step 3. The arrows between the numbers denote that the numbers are to be multiplied. The products with upward arrows are to be subtracted from product with downward arrows. Step 4. Find x and y provided that a1 b2 is not equal to a2 b1.